We're going to search these $2,001 Federal Reserve notes in hopes of finding something worth a lot more than just its face value. Hey everyone, it's Rob Finds Treasure and welcome back to the channel. $2,001 bills here. We're going to search them for any rare star notes, any web notes, any bar notes, any fancy serial numbers, any printing errors, any old bills. There's a lot to look for when you're checking your $1 bills. A lot of them sell for a lot more than face value. If you're unfamiliar with what to look for, I have a ton of resourceful links down below in the video description. Feel free to check that out. I also have a link to my collectible US paper notes map that has a lot of good information on it as well. That link will be right here. With all that being said, we've got 20 straps, each containing $101 bills. I'll be looking through these off camera, checking for anything that's out of the ordinary, any older notes, like I said, any printing errors, and of course the fancy serial numbers, and or if there's a star note at the end. Bottom line is I'll be looking through them off camera, and then I will bring you guys back with strap recaps, letting you know what I found in these straps. And the main reason I do them off camera is, as you can see, they're always a mess nowadays. They're all jumbled, and so it's just better to do it off camera so we don't spend 2 hours doing this live. Wish me luck. Here we go. I'll be back with a strap recap after the first strap. Strap number 1 has been hunted, and we're off to a good start. We actually got 2 star notes in that strap, and technically I hope for 1 star note in every strap, or 1 per strap average, and that means we're looking for 20 of them. With the 2 star notes we found, at the end of the hunt, we're going to be plugging all of these star notes into the star note lookup site that I have down below in the video description to see if we have any rare ones. 2 star notes, and then 1 close call here, almost a repeater note, 1950, 1550. Had it been 1950 twice, it'd be what's known as a repeater note. They sell for more than face value. This is just a close call. We'll be sending it back. 1 strap down, 2 finds so far. Let's see how we do in strap number 2. Unfortunately, strap number 2 did not have any good finds. Let's move on to strap number 3. Strap number 3 was a fun strap. Gave us our 3rd star note. Actually, it's pretty old, from 2006. And speaking of old, we got 3 pretty nice, crisp, almost uncirculated 1969 Series A David M. Kennedy notes. And I'll take those. They're in actually really nice shape. And 2 are nearly consecutive, only off by a number. So I'll sleeve those ones up here in a second and add the star note to the star note section. 3 star notes and 3 straps. We're still on track. And 3 older notes, but no fancy serial numbers just yet. Let's see what strap number 4 has in store for us. Strap number 4 is a bust. No star notes, no fancy serial numbers. The closest bill was this one right here. It's a trinary note, only 3 numbers in the serial number, almost a repeater, 20320032. Needed to be 2032 twice, but it's in heavily circulated condition. It's got some pencil writing on it, so it's not a keeper. Even if it was fancy enough to keep, it's not going to fetch much value like this. 4 straps down, moving on to strap number 5. Strap number 5, another star note number 4 through 5 straps. Let's start the next batch of 5 straps with strap number 6. Strap number 6 gave us star note number 5 and another almost repeater, 0831, 0837. Always a bridesmaid, never a bride. Let's move on to strap number 7. Strap number 7 gave us our 6th star note. We'll take that. It also gave us our first fancy serial number. It's not in the best order, but it is a birthday note, 1982. You could look at it as June 7th or the 6th of July. So it kind of works for 2 different birthdays. Not, like I said, in the best order, but still one that we'll hold on to in case somebody has one of those birthdays. And our first note at almost being a radar note. Radar meaning the first 4 digits bounce backwards for the second 4 digits. 4614. And if I read it backwards, 4618. Needed that 8 in the middle to be another 4. It's not. We'll be sending it back. But like I said, another star note. That's 6. Our first fancy serial number with 3 old bills. 7 straps in. Hopefully strap 8 can give us some more goodies. Strap number 8 gave us star note number 7. Let's see how we do in strap number 9. Strap number 9, we now have 8 star notes. So we're definitely doing okay on star notes so far. We're almost halfway through the hunt. After this 10th strap, that'll mark the midpoint, and I'll do a quick recap before we move on to the next 1,000 bills. Strap number 10 has been hunted, and this marks the midpoint of the hunt. 10 straps done. It did give us a wrinkled star note, but that makes 9 star notes through 10 straps. So we're just 1 star note behind what I would like through a 10 strap hunt, but we can make it up if we're lucky. Only 3 older bills, although they're really nice, mostly crisp 1969 Series A's, and a birthday note. Hoping for more star notes and some fancy notes in the next 10 straps. Let's kick it off. Strap number 11 coming up next. Strap number 11, we've made it to 10 star notes. Can't get mad at that. This is a 2021. And like I said before, we'll be plugging them all in at the end of the video to see if we have any rare ones. I'll tell you, even though we got 3 nice older bills, I was thinking by now we'd have some of the 88A, 93s, or 95s to check for the web notes, but we have not. We had one 1999 note prior to 2000 and those 369s. Plus, no other really fancy ones just yet as far as serial numbers are concerned. But we still have 9 more straps to go, so let's get after them. Strap number 12, star note number 11. Let's try strap number 13 now. Broken record, strap number 13, star note number 12. Odd that we're getting 1 star note in every strap, although we're not getting 2 or 0, so I can't get too mad about that. But just odd that we're getting 1 in every strap. We also had another chance at a radar note, 8156, and then read it backwards, 8150. Needed 2 6s in the middle or 2 zeros. Would have been a radar, would have kept it, but it's not. 13 straps down. It's time to move on to strap number 14 and see if we can get some lucky serial numbers. Well, strap number 14 did not give us a star note. That's why you don't look a gift horse in the mouth. I knew I shouldn't have jinxed it. But either way, we did have a flipper note. A true flipper note means that you can flip the serial number upside down and read the serial number either way. Technically, only 6s and 9s are true flipper notes. The zeros can be counted as them. Some people do count them and collect them. If it was a crisp uncirculated bill, I probably would keep it as a flipper note. But because it's not just 6s and 9s, it has those zeros in there. And because it's not in great shape, I'll be sending it back. Strap 14, no good goodies. Come on, strap 15. Strap number 15 got us back on the star notes. Star notes numbers 13 and 14 of the hunt. Let's see how we do in strap number 16 now. Strap number 16 was another good strap for star notes. We have 2 more, our 15th and our 16th of the hunt. That means we're finally back to that 1 per strap average I like. 16 star notes through 16 straps, although we're struggling on older bills and fancy serial numbers. 4 straps left. We only need 4 star notes to hit my 20 goal that I wanted for the hunt. Hopefully we get there. Strap number 17, 2 more star notes, number 17 and 18. Definitely doing good on those. 3 straps left. Here comes strap number 18. Strap number 18 was a bust. We just need 2 more star notes, and we only have 2 more straps left. Strap number 19, star note number 19. So you're saying there's a chance. All right, last strap of the hunt, praying for 1 star note and maybe something else for the board. Strap number 20. Wah, 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 wah. We didn't get there. Holy cow, we got skunked in the last strap. 19 star notes. I'm not mad at that. Yeah, I wanted 20 to make it 1 per strap average, but I'll take 19. I thought we had it. We didn't. We only got 1 fancy serial number, which is kind of an out-of-order birthday note, but still something fancy. And even though we didn't get a lot of older notes, the 3 we got are fantastic. I already have them in my semi-rigid plastic sleeves. I like using these so I can stack more on top of each other versus the fully rigid ones, the hard ones, because they're thicker. And these are just better for holding on to bills like this. All right, what's left to do is to plug all of these star notes into the star note lookup site. We'll see if we have any rare ones. Last time I did a hunt like this, we had several of them, so fingers crossed we have a few this time. Let me do that, and then I'll give you guys a recap of what I found out, some approximate values on star notes, and some final thoughts on this $2,001 bill search. All right, we have finished plugging in all 19 star notes into the star note lookup site. Of the 19, 17 are common. We had one from 2006, one from 2013. We had 5 from 2017. And then we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 from 2017A and 5 from 2021. Common star notes like these 17 typically sell for 2 to 3 times face value unless the star is filled in or the serial number's fancy or they're crisp uncirculated like none of these are. That being said, we did have 2 lower or more rare star notes here, both from 2021. This A series has a print run of only 640,000 and a total printed of only 640,000. So this one's more like in the $5 to $8 range. It's not that great condition, or it might be worth more, probably in the $5 range based on condition. That's why I've got it in a semi-rigid bill protector. And then finally, this one has even a lower print run, only 500,000 total on the print run or the run size, but the total printed is 1.5. Still not that bad. A little bit up the rarity scale there, but a little bit more up the scale when it comes to the run size. Now, this is only an estimated. That's why it's not higher up. There could be more printed because it is the most current ones they are printing out overall. That being said, we'll take it. A couple of more rare star notes. Can't get mad at that. 2 rare star notes, 19 in total, 3 crisper 69 bills, and a birthday note. Not a bad day of hunting. Obviously, we wish we would have found that most fanciest solid number, things like that. We didn't get that this time, but you got to hunt them if you're going to find them, and that's what we're doing. We're hunting. If you guys enjoyed this $2,001 bill search today, you know I certainly would appreciate that thumbs up. And as always, everyone, happy hunting, and thanks for watching.